My first interview experience in Dubai. How much salary I was offered. How I got shortlisted for this job interview in the first place. How did I find a job? Which job portal I used. What are the interview questions I was asked. All these topics I'm going to be covering in this series of videos. So this is going to be part 1 of this video where I talk about my first interview experience and all the details that goes into it. Hi guys, this is Vaishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm an architect and interior designer, and on this channel I make videos related to interior designing and architecture. So let's get started with this video. Let's start with discussing about the portal. Which job portal I use. Obviously, I was applying through multiple job portals when I was looking for a job here in Dubai. Initially, first job interview I got through LinkedIn. So we are going to discuss about LinkedIn in detail, how to navigate LinkedIn better, and how I did my search and how did I find this job. How did I find a job? That is the second thing. Through LinkedIn, I'm going to share some tips with you, like how I did the search and what are the main features that I used on LinkedIn to find this job post. Obviously, there is this job tab already available on LinkedIn. Through that, you can find multiple jobs. But what happens is that job tab, there are so many jobs posted on that, and there are thousands of applicants who are applying for these jobs. So the chances of getting shortlisted is very less. To be honest, I was getting really overwhelmed and intimidated by that job tab because there are so many jobs posted on that. So I wanted to do something different and do my own research, and through that research I successfully found a job post where I applied, and luckily I got shortlisted for this first job interview. So I'm going to show you on LinkedIn how I actually did the research and how I actually found that job post. So basically how to navigate LinkedIn to find that particular job post which can land you a job interview. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to navigate LinkedIn on my phone, but I would recommend you using your laptop and have your notebook and pen ready to note down anything you find relevant and important. So let me just show you. I'll just open LinkedIn and show you how I actually searched for a job. You have to go to your homepage and look for a search tab, and there you have to write architect or interior designer jobs. When you write architect's job and search it, you will find multiple tabs here in the topmost part. These are jobs, posts, people, companies. So here you have to go to post. You have to go to post and you will find all the posts which are related to that particular keyword. Okay, so keywords plays a very important role. You can find all the recruiters who have posted all the jobs, right? So you have to go through these posts. So you have to open this post. When you open it, you will find all the information, and you will notice that they usually mention email address as well, where you can share your resume or portfolio, right? You see that they have mentioned an email. So that is how I found that particular job post. I found the email, and through that I applied. Now you have to keep one thing in mind when you're doing this. Before sending an email, you need to check the profile of the person, where he works. You will get an information about the company as well from there. You have to search about the company, go to their website, check if the company is legit or not. All those things you have to cross check before you shoot your CV to that email. Okay, you can also do one thing. You can give a call to that number which is mentioned on the website, and you can check if they are actually hiring. This you have to do to prevent yourself from the scams and frauds or fake jobs. Check that person's profile as well. You can try to reach out to that person directly as well, but if they have mentioned the email, then it makes sense to send an email and share your CV through that. While searching for a job, you have to select the right keywords with job role you're looking for. If you're looking for junior architect, you have to type junior architect jobs. If you're looking for senior architect, you have to type senior architect jobs, and accordingly you will find all the posts which are related to that keyword. You can also select the location, and that will give you all the information related to your particular keywords that you have selected. This is how you navigate LinkedIn, and this is how you do your job search. This is how I did it. I did not use the job tab for this particular thing. I was applying through job tab as well, but I hardly got any response. I hardly got shortlisted. So I started doing this and found all these posts, and I applied to multiple job posts, and that's how I landed my first job interview. There's one more thing that you need to keep in mind before doing this is they usually do not post about the salary in that post. Sometimes they do that or sometimes they don't. So if you can get an information about the salary when you are giving them a call, or if you're getting in touch with the recruiter or the person who's posted the job, try to ask them about the budget and get the information about the salary, so that way you will get an idea whether you should apply for that particular job or not. Because if the salary budget is not matching to your expectations, then there is no point doing this. So you have to do all this beforehand to save yourself some time and efforts, because you don't want to waste time and energy in going after the things that is irrelevant to you, right? So this is one more thing that you need to keep in mind. Try to get in touch with them and get as much information as you can. But again, if you are desperate to find a job, then you should apply for all the job posts that you find on that search page. Now obviously, like I mentioned, this is one way of searching the job through LinkedIn, and obviously there is a job tab, but you can keep applying to multiple jobs through that, and the chances of you getting shortlisted is less. Like I mentioned, the number of applicants in thousands are in hundreds, right? So there's no point, but you can try your luck on that as well. In my case, when I found that post, I tried to gather all the information about the company. I went to the company's profile. I found the number there as well. I gave the company a call to check whether they are actually hiring or not. I did check. I did call the company and ask them whether they're looking for a candidate for this position, and they said yes. They told me yes, they are looking for a job, and they asked me to share an email with my CV. That's how I shared my CV with them, through email. How I shared my CV through email, what are the relevant information I included, how I drafted the email. Let's discuss that in part 2 of this video. I will put a link here so you can watch it. Try searching for job post through search page of LinkedIn and not from jobs tab. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, make sure you like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more such videos. Good luck for your job search, and I will see you next time. Bye.